Namaste. Welcome to all the persons here. Since it is the first video of this law channel, and it has been a couple of days since the law channel was created, and the videos were not uploaded since the work was in progress, and I was uploading videos on the other channel that is for the life management. So now I was highly keenly interested, and the thought was coming to my mind and just initiate the work. Just upload the videos on the law, because I am doing law, and I think that the legal awareness is very much less in the country, in our country especially, and the legal knowledge must be provided to all the citizens of this country. From the at least basic knowledge must be provided. Even that is not enough. That is not enough. Whatever the people know. And in another country, I think that whenever we compare to developed countries like USA and some other countries, British, so in fact there the law and order situation is comparatively better than India. Of course, if you see, they are aware of their rights. So without wasting time, let's come to the point. I think that I should initiate the law lecture videos from the IPC itself, IPC Indian Penal Code. And now the name has changed, and the new act has been enacted, so we will just discuss the basics of crime, because IPC it comes basics of crime. Okay, so just come to the point. And since it is also my first video, so if you do not find it much more convenient to you, so I beg your pardon, and just tell me your expectations, and I will think if I could do much better into the further videos. If we get into what is law and crime, why the law is necessary. Law is necessary for the safety of the persons who are living in the society. And why the crime happens? Crime happens due to many reasons, like for power, when the population gets increased in the society, and when their demands are not fulfilled, their needs are not fulfilled, or if the persons who do not want to work, even if they get provided the chance to work for. So some persons might get involved into the crime, like theft, burglary, murder, kidnapping also. So there are many kinds of needs, like persons who try to fulfill through various kinds of crime, like if they want to fulfill, like their some persons like stealing, money crime. Okay, there is some white collar crime also that will later study in further videos. So if some person has hatred against someone, so they may kill, or if some person wants to have some ransom from a person, so they may kidnap. So these are the various kinds of crime. Okay, in short. Law is simply a means to an end and should not be treated as an end in itself. Its ultimate object should always be to secure maximum good of the community. There are many theories have been propounded in law books, and many thinkers say many various things. So just it is one thought that is said in this. Okay. And I think that law is also like dynamic concept. In one of my videos, even if you watch my another channel that is named Dheeraj Kumar, and I upload life management videos, even in that one video I have talked about that law is a very dynamic concept, and every day laws are changing because human society is changing. Technologies are upcoming. New technologies are coming into human society, human civilization. The law, the customs which were prevalent in thousands years ago or hundreds years ago or a few decades ago, those have become illegal. You can't do that. You can't follow those customs. You will be behind the bars. You will have to pay. You will have to pay heavy consequences. You will have. You will be bound with legal sanctions, various kind of sanctions. So laws are changing every day, almost every day. New kind of laws are coming. Let's talk about some thinkers. There is a thinker Blackstone in England who says that, who defines crime in two ways. Number one, an act committed or omitted. An act committed or omitted in violation of a public law forbidding or commanding it. This definition appears to limit the scope of crime to violation of public law. He modified this definition and further defined that a crime is a violation of the public rights and duties due to the whole community considered as a community. Now let's come that what are the main constituents of a crime, main elements of crime. Okay, so first thing, that there must be a human being. Of course, the wrongdoer must be a human being under a legal obligation to act in a particular way and must have the capacity to commit a crime so that he may be a fit subject for the infliction of an appropriate punishment. Second, that person must have an evil intent or mens rea, or on the part of such human being. This is also known as the subjective element of a crime. Third, there should be an actus reus, that is an act committed or omitted in furtherance of such evil intent or mens rea. This may be called the objective element of the crime. Number four, fourthly, as a result of the conduct of human being acting with an evil mind, an injury should have been caused to another human being or to the society at large. Such an injury should have been caused to any other person, mind, body, reputation, or property. So basically, the four main elements that the persons involved in crime are human beings. Okay, you can't punish like animal. You can't say that animal has committed crime against me and just punish that animal. like for example, you say that one monkey has slapped me. Okay, one buffalo has slapped me, and you are going to court. That just punish that monkey, punish that buffalo, punish that cow, or whatever. Secondly, that mens rea, mental condition or intention, evil intent. That person must have an evil intent, which is who is committing the crime against you. That is one more part of the crime, constituent element of a crime. For example, you can say, suppose that by mistake somebody did, and his intention not to kill someone or to harm someone, but by mistake it happened. So there is no evil intent. So according to this will not come into a crime. Number three, actus reus, mens rea plus actus reus. When there is some mens rea, evil intention maybe, and when there is no actus reus, I thought in my mind, when I am angry with someone, I fought with someone and thought that, oh, I will break his legs. That is my evil intention. But I did not broke his leg. After a few hours or after next day, my temper got cool and I go, okay, let's leave. Okay, so I did not form the portion of crime, that is thirdly actus reus. So I have not committed any crime according to the law, because just for thinking something, you will not be punished for your thoughts. Okay, and this is called objective element of crime. And number fourth is injury. Like you did actus reus, you did mens rea, and there must be some injury. Injury, not only physical injury. Injury means any injury in the mind, and mental injury. It can be mental injury means that you can say that mental trauma. He did something that you got into mental trauma. It affected you very heavily mentally. Bodily injury. You are getting my point. Bodily injury, broken leg or accident or something. They committed with you. They fought your hands. They broke your hands, wrist, head. Okay, they throw some stone on her head and it got bleeding. Body, mind, reputation. You see that in these days, many especially big personalities, especially politicians, are filing the suits, defamation suits. That opposite person is trying to defame me, my reputation. So what is defaming? That is his reputation. But if you will go to the court that a person is defaming me, the court will say that what kind of reputation do you have? Suppose one person who is some big minister is going to court against one another, maybe suppose that MLA or minister, that concerned MLA or politician from another party is defaming me, and that is fourthly constituent of essential elements of a crime, that is injury to reputation. The court can be okay. The court will see the matter. What is some con man is going in reputation? So even if the court can consider, but if this is valid or not, how much valid is this? Because many defamation cases are politically motivated. If you see in the recent examples, so you will see that. And injury to property. Suppose that you have one car and somebody necessarily, intentionally breaks its glasses, or you have a house and somebody intentionally broke the house doors. So it is a crime. भाई इसका मुझे कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा एक दिन. I am sorry for this, my brothers. ऐसे ही बनाते हैं वीडियो, ठीक है. माफी की. So for today, let it be till this. आज के लिए हम इतना ही रखते हैं. And in next video we will discuss some more details. Till that time, thank you and see you in next video. Thank you.